as a teacher, as somebody that is teaching people, you must be ahead of them because they are going to ask a lot of questions. I know in this crypto space, I have made many contents, simplified many contents, many platforms, many concepts that ordinarily many people may not easily find them on YouTube because it is not everything you can find on YouTube. They may be telling you can find this on YouTube. Yes, you can find them, maybe a scratch of that information because most of the content creators this time around, they monetize the information. I remember when I started the crypto content, many people were coming to my sending me private message that this kind of information you are putting out, you need to monetize them. You don't just come up and be putting out all this information. But I was putting those information out. Now, why am I saying this? Like this liquidity provision that I've been talking about, many people still want everything for free. It doesn't work that way. I can tell you categorically, sometimes I spend more than 12 hours trying to look for updates, try to know what is actually going on in the space. And if you have been doing that kind of, if you have been doing technical content, you know how hard it is, particularly if your content Web3 based. As we all know, Web3 is never easy. Web3 is complex. It's complex. Don't deceive yourself. Web3 is not just like all this Web2, your Facebook to upload to do this and the rest. No, Web3 is very complex. So when you see people like myself and I'm creating content and I need to monetize part of my content, I can't just be working every now and then, sleepless nights to update you guys. Because why am I saying this is about this liquidity provision. I've received so many private messages. People were saying that, bro, release this information you want us to. Yes, this is a new update in the space. We need to monetize at least little thing, at least to appreciate us that, oh bro, you are coming up with this information, you are giving us this information. And you know, even if you go to AI agents, ask them, you know, it works. It works. It is not everything. It works. That's just the reality about it. You know the information. It works. So, but some of you, you really want to, you really want to have it. Everything is not going to be free. So if you have come across my content, my information, and you know that yes, you can provide liquidity, you can cash out by providing liquidity. You have to pay little token before the information will be released. I'll be saying this, it is not necessarily that you'll be trading every now and then. You can actually cash out by providing liquidity, and this is part of what you can say. This is not to you, maybe it may not be real much this thing, but at least you know that at least it works. This is no doubt. If you go to YouTube, you say that no, it works. It's only that you don't know how to do it. But you have to have it free. Most time, real information, they are always monetized. So the technical content creator, they got to be paid for what they do because it's not really easy creating technical content. That's just the facts. It's not really easy. So if you are coming across this video, I mean, probably you are interested providing liquidity, particularly how to automate it. I have done a comprehensive video about how to do it manually on a Meteora protocol. I have done it. I have packaged other information how to automate your liquidity provision. But bro, you are not going to get it free. So if you are coming to me, have it at the back of your mind that you got to pay. Yeah, that's all the fact. So we need to monetize our efforts. It's not easy to navigate Web3. It's not easy at all if you are creating technical content. So that's it. If you want to learn more, send me a message.